Hey everyone, welcome back to Mitchell Makes Vids, your go-to for market movers that matter. I'm Mitchell, and today we're diving into Cemtrex Inc., ticker CETX on NASDAQ. If you're chasing breakout small caps, this one's firing on all cylinders. The tech and security solutions provider out of New York is exploding today, December 8th, 2025. Shares hit $7.81 midday, surging 154% from Friday's close to $3.07, smashing past its 52-week low of $2.50 after a tough year. Spark? Cemtrex just inked a deal to acquire Invocon, bolstering its aerospace and defense chops with mission-critical tech expertise. This builds on 2025's revenue boom, up 59% in Q2 to 27.3 million and 19% over 9 months to 58 million, with gross margins climbing to 44%. Despite net losses near 25 million, it's a pivot from red ink, plus a $1 million Solana crypto play mid-year. Heads up on the risks. Post September's 1 for 15 reverse split, volatility's wild. Multiple halts today alone. At a sub 3 million market cap, CETX could soar or stall fast. Bullish vibes on stock twits? Absolutely, traders are piling in. Your move. Momentum play or wait for Q4 earnings December 18th. Comment below, like if you're watching this run, and subscribe for daily deep dives. Bell on. Next, tomorrow's alert. Thanks and trade smart. Guys, links in the video description below. Make some cash. Become a member of the channel today. We'll see you in the next one.